The smart video doorbell is matching black and white color. It looks simple and stylish. The smart video doorbell adopts frosted housing that feels good to hold in the hand. It has a built-in Wi-Fi module and a 5000 mAh battery that can work without wiring. It is equipped with a 2.8mm wide-angle lens to provide a wider view of the image. It supports SD card storage and remote monitoring function. It is easy to view or playback. The camera is equipped with hidden infrared array lights, and the image at night is also clear. This is indoor ding-dong. The indoor ding-dong rings when someone rings the doorbell. And we will also receive a video call invitation on our phone when someone rings the doorbell. When using it, we need to open the app and scan the QR code on the camera. We follow the prompts and then the connection can be done easily.